Hello and welcome. In today's video, where I'll show you how to create an email signature in Gmail on your PC quickly and easily. So let's get started. First, open your browser and go to gmail.com. Log into your Gmail account if you haven't already. Once you're in, click the gear icon in the top right corner. Then tap See All Settings. Now, under the General tab, scroll down to the Signature section. Click on Create New. Then type your signature name in the box. This is just a name for your signature. It won't actually show in your emails. Then click Create. Now, next to the signature name, type your actual signature. This can include your name, job title, phone number, links, or even a photo if you want. Next, under Signature Defaults, click the drop-down next to For New Emails Use and select your signature if you want it to show in new emails. Then click the drop-down under On Reply/Forward Use and select the same signature if you want it to appear in replies too. You can also check the box that says Insert Signature before quoted text in replies and remove the line that precedes it if you want it to appear above the reply text. Finally, scroll down and click Save Changes at the bottom of the page. And that's it. You've now created your custom Gmail signature on PC. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.